Good morning students. In previous video, we learned about water cycle. Today, in this video, we will discuss about rain. We will study about extreme cases of rain, flood and drought. We will learn about the consequences of large and prolonged rain. And we will also see what happens if there is no rain or very less rain. So let us start. Students, we know that rainfall is very important for irrigation, and rainfall is also important for continuous availability of water. Rain also brings relief after hot summer days. In our country, most of the rainfall occurs during the monsoon season. In some parts of the world, it rains throughout the year, while there are places where it rains only for a few days. Students, the time, duration, and the amount of rainfall varies from place to place. But student, excess rainfall may lead to many problems. Due to excess rainfall, the water level of rivers, ponds and lakes rises. Water may then spread over large areas, causing floods. The crop fields, forests, villages and cities may get submerged by water. Students, during floods, the animals living in the water also get carried away with the water. In our country, floods cause extensive damage to crops, domestic animals, property and human life. Similarly, if it does not rain in a region for a year or more, then the soil continues to lose water by evaporation and transpiration. Since water is not being brought back by rain, the soil becomes dry. The level of water in ponds and wells of the region goes down, and some of the ponds and wells dry up. The groundwater also become scarce. This may lead to drought. Deficient rainfall can also prove to be life-threatening, as lot of farmers in India continue to depend on rainfall to irrigate their fields. So in drought conditions, it is difficult to get food and fodder. So students, in this video, we learned that excess rainfall causes flood and no rain or very little rain causes drought. We also learned that in case of heavy rain, level of water in rivers and ponds rises. Then water spreads over large areas, causing floods. Flood causes damage to animals, property and human life. And if it does not rain in a region for a year or more, the soil becomes dry because soil loses water continuously by evaporation and transpiration process, and water is not being brought back by rain. The level of water in ponds and wells of the region goes down, and some of the ponds and wells dry up. The groundwater also become scarce. Let us revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. Rise in water level of river leads to option A, flood, option B, drought, Option C, tri-lens. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, flood. Question number 2. Excess rain causes option A, earthquake. Option B, cloud. Option C, flood. Option D, drought. And the correct answer is option C, flood. Question number 3. No rain or very less rain causes option A, earthquake. Option B, cloud. Option C, flood. Option D, drought. The correct answer is option D, drought. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to solve at your home. I hope that you will answer these questions correctly. Thank you.